The new bolt, the only one I could get that's still fitted, is 15mm too long, so I just have to shorten that down, and I've got an idea how I might do it. If I sort of can clamp my 100mm angle grinder and have a nice diamond wheel there for metal, I should be able to put on the drill press. So I need to mark it. I'm not very good at marking around in circles, so if I put some masking tape on there and just put the bolt on there, I can, or the nut, sorry, I can then just use that as a guide to mark it off at the spot I want, which is even to the other one, so the two are going to look good together. Now the closest I could get it with is in 0.5 mil. That bolt is just slightly bent and I just couldn't get it better. I don't think the drill press is that good. It fits on there, as dodgy as anything. I'm really quite worried about it. The angle's okay, there's just the bolt length nearly touches the sides there. It's just this is not what it's meant to do, but I think I'll get away with it. I'm going to take my first cut in, just as a test one, just to see how it all goes. I'm after 7.9 for an 8mm bolt. It seems to be what the other ones are when I measure them up. So as long as I get it close to 7.9, maybe 7.8, it should be pretty alright. On average, it's coming out at 7.9. It's a little bit rough, but it's close enough. To smoothen that roughness out, I just sort of fold it just lightly to take the tips off it so it's all nice and round, and hopefully then it cuts a bit better. At this stage, I've just been totalling up all the things I've spent on the bike so far, and a surprise to me, I've come up to $1,000 already. I've got more stuff coming that I haven't sort of shown here, but with what I have bought and projecting ahead, I've spent $1,000 already. After that, I remembered I had some cutting tool oil, so I used that, and that just cut much nicer, so that's what I should have used in the first place. It cut down nice. I've just re-drilled some holes for the split pin to go in. Now I've just got to cut it off, and I'll cut it off on the drill press with seeing it's all set up. Now that I've finished these bolts, I can put them away, and that'll be good for a while. I've gotten over my fingers. I've got good medical, so they'll just grow me some new ones. But I've got these parts here. They're just straps and grommets, and a brand new air filter that should work well. So I'll just wait for my new fingers, and then we'll carry on.